How to change the download location in Brave browser. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Brave browser. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial. So let's get started. On your system, open the Brave browser. And on the top right corner of the screen, click on three lines. From the menu, click on Settings. In the left panel, press the Downloads tab for changing the download location. Now, in front of the location, click on Change. Here, select your desired download location and below that, click on the Select Folder option. Now your download location will change. This is the easiest method to change the download location in Brave browser. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.